In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use Tesla Model 3 Autopilot. So let's get started. So first of all, I need you guys to guide yourself onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and then click on Model 3 because we're specifically talking about Model 3 Autopilot, right? So click on Model 3, okay? And then proceed to choose a language you're compatible with, in this case, English. And then I want you to click on this autopilot option, okay? The drop-down option, okay? And then you'll find a bunch of options about autopilot features, and so on, okay? So you can go ahead and have a good read of this. It could have information on how it works and things to be warned of, things to take note of, things to be cautious of, okay? And basically everything that includes about autopilot, maybe how to activate it, okay? And I'll give you a quick rundown of it, okay? So the step one to be activating autopilot is that ensure the autopilot option is enabled. So tap the car icon on the touchscreen, go to controls, autopilot, and enable auto steer beta allows the car to steer within its lane, and enable traffic aware cruise control, which is also known as TACC, which adjusts speed based on traffic. And then also enable full self-driving beta, okay, FSD, also for short, if it is purchased and approved. Then the step two is to activate autopilot on the road. So basic autopilot, like TACC and plus auto steer. So when driving on market, highway, or street, press on the right stalk down twice quickly. And a blue steering wheel icon appears on the screen, meaning auto steer is active. The car will now steer, accelerate, and brake automatically. Another thing to activate is if you have traffic aware cruise control only. So for this, press the right stalk down once to enable adaptive cruise control, and the car will adjust speed based on traffic but won't steer. Okay, step three, using full self-driving if available. So if you have FSD beta, you will get extra features like automatic lane changes, navigating on highways and city streets, traffic light, and stop sign recognition, or as well as summon remote control of car in parking lots. So to enable, tap navigate on autopilot in the navigation menu. Now, let me share some safety and legal notes. Keep hands on the wheel at all times. Stay alert, Tesla Autopilot is not fully autonomous. The system may require driver intervention at any time. Check local laws as autopilot use may be restricted in some areas. So, I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be it for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.